Ever wondered how you can turn every adventure into an epic cinematic experience? Well, today's your lucky day because we're delving deep into the realm of action cameras. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just someone keen on immortalizing life's extraordinary moments, I've got something special to share with you. Introducing the HERO12 Black, GoPro's latest masterpiece in the world of high-performance cameras. This little powerhouse is here to redefine the way you capture your adventures. One of the standout features of the HERO12 Black is its ability to capture 5.3 video, offering a whopping 91 more resolution than 4K and incredible 665 more than 1080p. This means you're getting crisp detail and cinematic image quality that truly stands out from the crowd. Whether you're shooting action-packed adventures or serene landscapes, the HERO12 Black ensures your footage is nothing short of breathtaking. But what about difficult lighting situations? You could ask. No worries. The HERO12 Black, equipped with high dynamic range technology, captures subtle details in challenging lighting conditions, resulting in dynamic footage with true-to-life color and precision, ensuring vivid videos and photos. And it's not just about videos. The HERO12 Black can snap impressive 27MP photos, giving you the power to freeze your favorite moments in stunning detail. Plus, with the GoPro Quick app, you can capture up to 24.7MP of your best shots and create shareable content on the go. Ever thought about the epic moments you'd capture with a HERO12 Black action camera's top-notch stabilization? The HERO12 Black action camera boasts Emmy award-winning HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization and HyperSmooth auto boost performance, ensuring smooth footage in intense situations. Worried about taking your camera on your next underwater adventure? Fear not. The HERO12 Black is waterproof up to 33 feet, ensuring it can handle whatever comes its way. Plus, it comes with an Enduro rechargeable battery, curved adhesive mounting buckle thumb screw, and USB-C cable. Everything you need for a seamless shooting experience. So are you ready to take your photography and videography to the next level? The HERO12 Black is waiting for you. Ever wondered what it feels like to shoot like a hero or immerse yourself in the world of 360-degree magic? Well, introducing the GoPro Max. You're all in one ticket to a world of limitless possibilities. GoPro Max has dual lenses for hero style and 360 shots, a front-facing touchscreen, built-in mounting fingers for 30 mounts and 3 cameras in one. And get this, waterproof to 16 feet and built tough. So no need to worry about a sudden rain shower or an unexpected plunge into the deep blue. Vloggers, this one's for you. Go live in 1080p and connect with your audience like never before. The front-facing touchscreen makes it a breeze to adjust settings and preview your shots on the fly. Max HyperSmooth is the superhero feature here. Say goodbye to shake with maximum stability and horizon leveling. Your footage just got a whole lot smoother, making every adventure look like it was shot by a pro. But wait, there's more. Max Time Warp Power Paint 4 digital lenses, and a whole array of features are at your fingertips. It's like having a cinematographer in your pocket. But it's not just about the visuals. With premium 360 and stereo audio from 6 high-quality microphones, your memories come to life like never before. And for those Instagram-worthy moments, shoot vertically and use short clips to create 15 or 30-second clips. Perfect for sharing on the go. But here's where it gets next level. In the Quick app, use Reframe to transform your mind-bending 360 footage into traditional, easy-to-watch and share videos that will blow your audience away. Experiment with countless views, create cinematic transitions. The possibilities are as vast as your imagination. So are you ready to take your storytelling to the max, the GoPro Max, your passport to a world of cinematic possibilities? Don't just capture the moment, make it epic. Grab your GoPro Max now and start creating memories that will last a lifetime. Have you ever wished for the power of a high-performance action camera without the bulk? Well, say hello to the HERO11 Black, mini, smaller, and lighter, yet packing the punch of 5.660 video. But what makes it truly stand out? Size makes it ideal for capturing mind-blowing point-of-view footage. Whether you're tearing down a mountain trail, carving through fresh powder, or shredding the skate park, the HERO11 Black Mini comfortably goes wherever you go. Now let's talk simplicity. With one button simplicity, capturing your adventure is as easy as point and shoot. Just press the shutter button and you're recording stunning 5.3 video, our highest resolution yet. And for the pros out there, the HERO11 Black Mini offers pro controls, adjust resolutions, frame rates, digital lenses, and image quality settings to set up shots exactly the way you want them. It's versatility at your fingertips. Now, this is where it gets exciting. The HERO11 Black Mini's amazing 5.3 footage isn't just for videos. It's a photographer's dream. Capture high quality photos up to 24.7 megapixel from your videos with a simple tap using the GoPro Quick app or your favorite editing software. Emmy Award-winning HyperSmooth 5.0 for insanely smooth footage. No more shaky videos, just silky smooth memories. Get yours now and let the adventure begin. HERO11 Black Mini, small, light, and ready for anything. Thanks for joining us on this epic adventure through the world of GoPro cameras, whether it's the HERO12 Black, GoPro Max, or the compact HERO11 Black Mini. GoPro is redefining how we capture and share our stories. Hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share our video to inspire others to make every moment epic with GoPro. Happy filming, and see you in the next adventure.